Hi guys, I'm going to teach you tonight how to make a beautiful, strong inflammation tincture. And these are the ingredients that we're using. We're using black pepper. Oh, look at how they're just like vibrant. Wow. Turmeric roots, ginger roots, decarboxylated cannabis. And what that means is the cannabis has been cooked in the oven, premium bud, for a half hour on 250. This ignites it so then it becomes active as a pain med in this tincture. Cinnamon sticks, peppermint leaf, 100 proof alcohol, and a mason jar. I misplaced my little tripod, so I'm going to do this with one hand because I have to hold the phone. It's in the woods, I think. So let's see how I do. First, let's put in the cinnamon sticks. I know I can do that okay. Then this is about half a cup. That is about 4 cinnamon sticks. This is half a cup. Ooh, look at it. Peppermint leaf. Let's see how I do. Ooh, okay. No spilly. This was 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn that I ground up. We get the beautiful cannabis bud that's all decarboxylated. That's gonna be a mess. Hold on. Let's do some by hand. Okay, so how do we now? Ooh, yay! I'm gonna pick that up. The medicine. Okay, we're gonna put in the turmeric roots. Ooh, that's gonna be messy on my tablecloth, so I'll do a little bit like this. Ah, get off there. Turmeric stains so easily. These are beautiful roots. I think I can do it now. Let's see how I do. Oh yeah, did it. Then we're gonna put in the ginger roots. Ginger roots in. Okay, so we got all the goodies in there. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Just beautiful. Oh, so now we're going to pour in the alcohol. Here we go. So what I'm going to do is cap this and label it when I need it and keep it in a dark spot, you know, cool area in my tincture cupboard. Because I have a cupboard just for all my tinctures. So I'm going to keep it in there for 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to give it a little stir right now. I think I might put some more alcohol in it though. Let me grab some more alcohol over here. Ooh, look at it. Alright. I have to put this phone down, I think. Or can I do it with one hand? I really don't want to spill it. Okay, I did it. Yay. So I'm going to completely fill this up. So this is going to be a powerful, powerful inflammation medicine. You're just going to need drops of this a day. Look at it. Oh my. So lovely. Now this is probably most likely take a couple days and it'll start to turn orangey color because of the turmeric. Turmeric has such a strong color to it. So there, that's all there is to it. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Now I'll shake this every day if I think of it. If I don't, it's not a big deal if I don't shake it, but it just extracts all the medicines a little faster that way. So, but the alcohol is going to macerate everything anyhow and break it all up. So, good to go. I'll let you know in a couple days. Maybe I'll take a picture of it and show you. Have a great day.